Recovering deleted messages on YouTube can be challenging as the platform does not provide a direct way to retrieve them. However, there are some steps you can take to potentially recover lost information. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Look for any email notifications from YouTube regarding messages. If you have email notifications enabled, you might find copies of the messages in your email inbox. Step 2. Review your YouTube account activity. Log into your YouTube account and check your account activity. Sometimes, messages may still be visible in your activity log, depending on how the platform has updated its features. Step 3. Contact YouTube support. If the messages are crucial, consider reaching out to YouTube support. They may have access to information that could help you recover your deleted messages. Step 4. Explore third-party recovery tools. Research third-party recovery tools that specialize in retrieving deleted data. While these tools may not guarantee success, they can sometimes help recover lost information from your device. Step 5. Regularly backup important messages. To prevent future loss, regularly backup important messages or information from YouTube. You can take screenshots or copy text to a document for safekeeping. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on YouTube may not be straightforward, following these steps can help you explore possible options. Remember to take preventive measures in the future to safeguard important communications.